Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I will be talking to you guys about why China is the perfect business partner for those of you who are entrepreneurs, business owners, CEOs, anyone who has a business and wants to leverage it, and anyone who is pretty much in any industry, really. It could be beauty, fashion, the service industry, interiors, cars, anything under the sun. Why is China the perfect option for you? All right, so we'll start with the obvious. Obviously, China has been the world's biggest supplier for decades. They have been supplying everything under the sun, anything from cars, from clothing, from tech, from gadgets, from homeware, construction material, pretty much anything under the sun. This is what China has been doing for decades. They have a countless supply of factories and a countless supply of individuals, companies who are more than capable to take your idea from paper to reality. So that's the first thing. It's a no-brainer. China is definitely number one on the scale in terms of bringing ideas to reality and, being able to manufacture items and bring it to life. So that's the first thing. Second thing is the affordability. So because they have been in the game for so long, it's extremely affordable. It is so much cheaper for you to have them do it as opposed to doing it in your own country. In your own country, a lot of the services that China has to offer are 4 times the price, sometimes 10 times the price, because it is a very specialized and niche service that would be provided to you. Whereas in China, every other factory is doing the same thing. So for them, it's easy to do and it's so much more affordable for you to do it through China than to do it through your own country. And then also just the variety of items that you can possibly do. There's so much for you to choose from. If you are doing cosmetics, for example, so many different ways to do it. You can go the environmentally friendly range, you can do allergy friendly range, you can do pretty much anything. China has done it and will continue to do it, whether you're in it or not. So yes, they're more than equipped to take your idea to the next level. All right, and now the next reason why China is the perfect option for you is because it has been used by so many other companies before. The proof is in the pudding. They have done this for so many big, major companies, major conglomerates, so many car companies, clothing companies, tech companies have their items manufactured here in China. So they have paved the way for entrepreneurs, new business owners like yourself, and they have already set the standard. They've already set the market for you. The blueprint is there ready for you to slot into. So this is definitely something you'd be able to do. There's a lot of brands that are manufactured here that you probably don't know of. I'll put the link of the video in the description. Tons of them. So if they are having it done here, obviously there's something good that they found here and that they're keeping here. So that's the other reason why China is the perfect option for you. Another reason why China should be on your radar is because it's a one-stop shop. So they can do pretty much everything. They start by producing your product, and then they can also do the labeling, they can do the packaging, they can ship it to your place, they can ship it to your client's place. So they pretty much do everything. Whereas if you did it in your country, you would have one person make it, one person label it, one person do the packaging, someone else, and in the end you're doing a lot of in-between jobs before it even gets to your client or your customer. Whereas in China, in one ecosystem, you can get everything done. By the time it leaves the Chinese borders on its way to your country, it's ready. It's all set and ready to go. So that's definitely something to think about. I hope this was convincing to you. I always encourage people to look to China as a step forward as a potential business partner, as that first platform into leveraging their businesses and growing the business exponentially. That is always a go-to, especially if you're serious about your business. Obviously, down the line, a lot of people, once they've grown enough, are able to then diversify and look to other countries, look to other resources to get there. But as a start, or even as an intermediary phase, China is definitely the perfect business partner for you. I hope you learned a lot from this. My name is Kim and I'm based in China, and I help businesses grow exponentially using the resources available here in China. And if you're new to this episode, be sure to check out previous videos that I've posted. If you're already subscribed, I hope this information was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you here in China, or to seeing your business grow using the resources that are available in China. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and share this video with someone who is interested in business and growing their business and making money with their business. I would love to link with them or link with you to make that happen. And all in all, take that challenge. Your business deserves it. You deserve it. It's definitely time for you to leverage it and grow it and explore what China can do for you. And that is all for today's episode. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.